Hello and welcome to Tech and Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AnimatedSprite in the Godot engine in your projects. So I have these circle images. You can see different images. I will create AnimatedSprite with these different images and PNGs, whatever you say. So I have already created a project and I'm going to copy these images to the project folder. So Command C to copy, and in the project folder in the root directory I'm just pasting. Alright, now here I have created a project and I have player here, and here I have a sprite. Okay, now I want to add AnimatedSprite in the player to animate the player. So just click on the player and add AnimatedSprite. You can find it by typing AnimatedSprite. Okay, so I have added AnimatedSprite. Now in the inspector, first click on the AnimatedSprite and click and see in the inspector AnimatedSprite and click on the frames and say click on new sprite frames, and then click again and select edit. Now here you have animation. You can add multiple animations by clicking on the add button. So I'm creating a new animation and name it idle. You can create jump, walk, stop, whatever animation you want, but I don't need any other animation, so I'm deleting the default one. Now I need to add these images. Just drag it here. Sorry, I need to select the idle animation. Okay, now drag it. Okay, now I have it. Here it is, the loop. If you want your animation to play continuously, you need to turn it on, or if you don't want, just turn it off. Also, if you want to speed up your animation, you can set the FPS, frames per second, here. Let me show you. In the AnimatedSprite, let me set the default, and here's the idle. Let's select idle and click on playing, so it is started playing. Now click again and edit it, and now it has been played just once. If I turn the loop on, it will play continuously. You can set the frames per second, the speed for the animation. I say 20, and now it is moving fast. Okay, if I turn it on, okay, so now I can delete the sprite node. Here I have just AnimatedSprite. Let me move the player. Oops, I need to move the player. Okay, Now I don't want my sprite to be played from the start, so I'm just turning it off. Now let me show you how you can play your animation through code. Godot used its GD script, so let me add a new script and name it player.gd and create. Okay, I'm just writing the code in the ready function, which will be triggered on the startup, but you can call it whenever you need. To play the animation, you need to write get node and select AnimatedSprite in the player, because we are in the player, so we can directly call AnimatedSprite. So get node AnimatedSprite and say dot play and the name of the animation you want to play. In our case, that is idle. So in the script, I'll write idle. So when the game starts, it will start playing the idle animation. Let's save this scene and say player and save. Now if you play it, it is playing and animation is running. So this is it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel. If you need more tutorials or have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. Thank you.